Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms in this video. We will be focusing on reducing the expression 9x squared minus 25 divided by 3x minus 5 to its simplest form. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by factoring the numerator and the denominator if possible. Let's look at the numerator. 9x squared minus 25. This is a difference of squares which can be factored as follows. 9x squared is the same as 3x quantity squared, and 25 is the same as 5 squared. So, 9x squared minus 25 can be factored into 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5. The expression is now 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5 over 3x minus 5. Step 2. Now that we have factored the numerator and have 3x plus 5 times 3x minus 5 over 3x minus 5, observe that we have the same expression in the numerator and the denominator. 3x minus 5. These common factors can be cancelled out. When we cancel 3x minus 5, we are left with 3x plus 5. Therefore, the simplified form of the rational expression is just 3x plus 5. This is the final step, and the expression is now reduced to its lowest terms.